Want to create personalized Santa videos for free? There's this cool AI tool that does exactly that. It generates custom videos where Santa delivers a message to anyone you want in minutes. You just input a message, pick a language, and the tool handles the rest. You can use this for holiday greetings, inviting people to parties, or even making fun social media posts. Teachers could use it for their students, and businesses could make seasonal promotions. It's fast, free, and you can create videos in multiple languages.
It's Santa with a little reminder. The magic of Christmas starts with you. Your kindness and love light up this season like the brightest star. Keep spreading that joy, and I promise you'll feel the magic all year long. Merry Christmas!
The main benefit is that you get a personalized Santa message without any video editing skills. I tested it out. You go to the AI Santa video website. The process is simple. Give your email. That's where the video gets sent.
Hello there, it's Santa with a little reminder. The magic of Christmas starts with you. Your kindness and love light up this season like the brightest star. Keep spreading that joy, and I promise you'll feel the magic all year long. Merry Christmas.
Pick if you want a landscape or a portrait video. Then type the message you want Santa to say. You can pick English, French, Spanish, or German. Hit generate. In a few minutes, you get an email with your video. The video quality is impressive. Santa's voice sounds natural, and the lip sync is really good. It uses the 11 Labs API, so the voice is pretty realistic. So that's AI Santa Video. It's a free, quick, and easy way to create personalized messages from Santa. Go to the link in the description, try it out, and let me know what you think in the comments. Share your creations with your friends and family, and spread the holiday cheer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cool AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching.